So I've had my car camper for about a year, and I've been on a dozen trips or more, and it's been a lot of fun. So I thought I'd share with you some updates that I've done. The first thing I did was I replaced my 10-gallon jug with a 3-gallon jug, and I moved it under the counter space. And where I had the 10-gallon jug in the back trunk, I put my cat litter box there. So that worked out pretty well. And the next thing that I wanted to do is update, or I should say, I wanted to put my e-bike in my car. So what I did was I removed the dresser that I have behind the passenger seat, took that out and brought it into my house. And that gave me enough room to be able to upload my bike from the side. And the way I roll it up into the car is I use a wire closet shelf rack, and I prop it up against the door frame, and I wheel my bike up into the car. My bike is too tall to fit upright, so I have to tilt it sideways to get it all the way in, but it does fit in my car. And then you'll see that I keep that wire rack under the bed, and I use that same wire rack or shelf as a ramp to wheel my car out of the car. So I'll prop that wire shelf up against the bumper at the back of the car, and I'll wheel my bike out. And that's worked pretty well. The next thing that I want to do is update my headlamps. These are the originals, I believe, and this is a 2006 Toyota Sienna. So I ordered new headlamp assemblies from Amazon, and for the left and right together, it was about $150. And I found a mobile mechanic to install it for $100. So altogether, it'll be $250. And my car is gonna look way better. So I'll have to show you a picture later on when I get that all done. Thanks for watching. Bye.